welcome back. Can you believe this is already week 7 of our super long summer project? We hope that you've been enjoying all the different challenges we've got for you and that you've been documenting everything in your sketchbooks that we made in week 1. Maybe you've done so much that you've had to make another one. Don't forget to let us know how you're getting on with all the challenges. Let us know if you're enjoying the videos, and if you've got any really good ideas for a challenge, make sure you let us know. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and you'll be first to know when we have new videos for you. So this week our challenge was set by Freya, who sent us a message and said she would like to know how to make a boat. So this week it's a build a boat challenge. Now there are lots of different ways that you could build a boat. I'm going to show you a couple of the ways that I made a boat, and I can't wait to see what great ideas you've got for building your very own boat. So first of all, I'm going to show you how you can fold your own paper boat. Now you should be able to put this boat in water and it'll float. Now this is another nice easy one because all you're going to need is a bit of paper. Grab yourself a sheet of paper and we'll get started. We'll take our piece of paper and first we're going to fold it in half like a birthday card. Remember, it can be easier to fold the paper away from yourself, so take the edge that's nearest you and fold it up to meet the edge at the top. Now we're going to fold it in half again like a birthday card, but a much smaller one this time. Now when you open it up, it should look like a little book, with the open edges closest to you and the folded edge farthest away from you. We'll take this top corner and fold it into the middle, right along that lovely nice straight line that we've got. And do the same on the other side. It's starting to look like a boat already. The open edges should still be near you at the bottom. We're going to start folding these up like little triangles, but only the top one. Do the same over here, little tiny triangle. Excellent, then we're going to flip it over and do the same on the back. Now we're going to fold this front flap up, give it a little crease. There we go. And the same on the other side. Now we're going to do something slightly tricky. You're going to use your thumbs to open it up like this and then just flatten it. So now it should look like a diamond. Now it's time to fold our new bottom flaps up towards the top. Now you're the artist, so you can decide whether to fold it all the way to the top or just halfway up. If you decide to fold it all the way to the top, your boat will look a bit like this. Lots of room inside, and you'll only see a little bit at the top of that triangle. But if you fold it halfway, your boat will look like this, with much bigger triangle in the middle. So it's really up to you. You're the artist, so you decide. I chose to fold mine about halfway, so I do it on the front flap and the back flap. So now I've got a big triangle. We're going to do that tricky part again where we put our thumbs inside and open it flat. So you should have this kind of shape. Now what we're going to do is these two side parts should move a little bit like wings. We're going to pull them both at the same time, very gently, and then give our boat a little squeeze like this. At the bottom, we're going to open it up a little bit. And this one is a bit tricky. You'll have to kind of pull very gently to get your boat to stand up. There we go, just like that. Once you know how to make a boat, it's really easy and you can make lots. Why don't you show your whole family and then you can have boat races. Eee! So there you go. You can even decorate your boat to make it really funky, and then you guys can race them. Have a go at making a paper boat, and then why not see how creative you can get and make another boat out of something that isn't paper. So we're going to be looking for the boat building champion. You'll be getting bonus points for creativity, so get those art hats on and really think, what could you use to build your boat? When I was out on my walk today, I picked up lots of sticks. I stuck them together with elastic bands and I made a pirate raft. So once you've built your boat, we want you to take a picture of it, or you could film yourself talking about how you built your boat, send it in to us, we'll share them all, and then we'll decide who's going to be crowned boat building champion of the super long summer. If you're thinking about making a film, check out the filmmaking page where Ross has been putting up loads of fantastic videos about how you can make some interesting films at home. Maybe you'll want to make a stop motion film to show off your boat, which is what I did when I built my super awesome boat.